In the last episodes, we covered the benefits of functional flours in food applications. But at Limagrain Ingredients, our focus is also on animal nutrition. Today, let's talk about a range of functional flours dedicated to pet food, pet flour. And for that, we went to meet our R&D application expert, Qianshan Jiang.
Hello, my name is Qianshan Jiang. I am a research and animal nutritionist for the feed and pet food activities at Limagrain Ingredients here in Weert in the Netherlands. And today we are going to talk about functional flours for pet food.
Can you remind us what functional flours are and how they are produced for pet food?
Functional flours for pet food are produced in the same way as for food applications. They are the results of the synergy between our cereal expertise and our mastery of hydrothermal processes, which provides a multitude of functionality to the flours. They have different characteristics, allowing, for example, to optimize the texture and the viscosity of the product. In addition, depending on the needs, the particle size of flours can vary from very fine granulometry to a much larger one.
Can you tell us in what kind of applications pet food industrials can use our functional flours?
Our pet flour function flours can be used as texturizer and binder for all types of pet food applications. Baked dry pet food, semi-moist pet food, or wet pet food, such as canned pet food or frozen pet food, or also in pet treats and snacks, like dental sticks or dog biscuits.
Thank you, Qianshan. Now, let's talk about the benefits of our functional flours. How can our pet flour range concretely add value to pet food products?
Functional flours offer many possibilities regarding nutrition. It's food grade, providing highly digestible nutrients to reduce the output from pets, which we don't want. They are produced in a natural way with only heat treatment without any chemicals involved. They are 100% clean label flour solutions. We offer conventional grains, wheat, rice, corn, etc., as well as ancient grains like quinoa or pulses, for example, peas or faba beans. Talking about the texture, they have versatile capacities, can give you the texture you desire, no matter its crunchiness, chewiness, hardness, softness, richness, or flexibility. For process, functional flours can improve the flowability of the flour mixture in the extruder, managing water in wet pet food production, as well as provide low temperature stability in frozen pet food. It's also suitable for baked pet food. On the screen, you can see extruded dental sticks as well as baked dog muffins made with functional flours.
You got it! Limagrain Ingredients functional flours are innovative, 100% clean label, and they can meet all the challenges of pet food industrials in terms of texture, process, and nutrition. In short, they are the perfect solution for natural pet food products. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting videos.